Welcome, students, to the VirtualX MasterClass podcast for Grade 10 Life Sciences. I'm your host, a dedicated life sciences teacher, passionate about exploring the fascinating world of living organisms and the systems that sustain life.
And I'm your guest, here to join the conversation and guide you through this exciting journey of discovery. Together, we'll explore the wonders of life from the molecular level to ecosystems, step by step, module by module.
Let's begin with a crucial question. Why should you study life sciences in grade 10?
Life sciences is more than just a subject. It's a gateway to understanding the living world, including yourself. From uncovering how cells work to discovering how ecosystems thrive, you'll develop critical thinking skills, scientific inquiry, and a deeper appreciation for life's complexity.
Absolutely. You'll learn how to address real-world challenges like conservation and health, and develop knowledge that builds towards future careers in biotechnology, medicine, or environmental science.
Now let's explore how VirtualX MasterClass will help you succeed.
This program is designed for you. With structured modules, expert instruction, and interactive tools, you'll build your knowledge in a systematic way. Plus, our personalized feedback ensures you stay on track.
Finally, what will you achieve? After completing this course, you'll have a solid foundation in life sciences, prepared not only for grade 11, but also for solving problems in the real world.
Modules overview. Let's dive into the modules. We'll focus on each one in detail while ensuring smooth transitions between them. Module 1. Life at molecular, cellular, and tissue levels. In Module 1, we'll begin by studying the building blocks of life.
We'll examine molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids, and how they come together to form cells, the basic units of life.
You'll also learn about plant and animal tissues, their specialized structures, and how they work together to support life processes like growth and movement. Module 2. Life processes in plants and animals.
In Module 2, we'll explore how living organisms sustain themselves. This includes how plants conduct photosynthesis to produce energy and how animals digest food and circulate nutrients.
We'll also discuss the transport systems in plants and animals, how water moves through xylem, and how the human heart pumps blood through our veins and arteries. Module 3. Environmental Studies.
Module 3 takes us outside the classroom to explore the biosphere.
Yes, we'll investigate ecosystems, biomes, and how living organisms interact with each other and their environment. From predator-prey relationships to the impact of human activities, this module connects science to real-world challenges like climate change and conservation. Module 4. Diversity, Change, and Continuity.
Finally, Module 4 is all about evolution and biodiversity.
We'll uncover the history of life on Earth, from simple organisms to complex species, and explore why preserving biodiversity is essential for the planet's health. Wow, what an incredible journey we've outlined.
Remember, life sciences is not just about knowledge. It's about discovery, curiosity, and making a difference.
To take the first step, sign up for Life Sciences Grade 10 VirtualX MasterClass today at www.virtualx.tv.
We can't wait to see you there. Together, let's unlock the mysteries of life.
VirtualX MasterClass, your gateway to excellence in education. Powered by Dragon Alexa.